Welcome to BuySpares. In this video we'll be showing you 3 different ways to fit a difficult washing machine belt. Before fitting any electrical equipment, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. The drive belt on a washing machine can in some cases be difficult to fit. On this machine it is difficult due to the access panel on the back being small, which restricts the room to fit the belt. We can compare the new belt to the old one. You can see how much the old belt has stretched over the years. Remove the screws holding the top and move to the back of the machine. We can now see the small access panel which limits the room available to get to the belt. The first way is to place the belt around a motor pulley. We are using the old belt to show you the technique. Pull the tub back to give you more room to get your hands in. Feed the belt around the drum pulley so the belt goes on. The second way is to stretch the new belt as you are putting it onto the drum pulley. Using an old belt, fit the new belt around the motor and then pull the new belt to stretch and fit over the drum pulley. The third way, and the most successful way, is to place the new belt onto the pulley and use a cable tie to hold the belt in place so it does not slip off. Then we feed the belt around the motor pulley from the access panel. Now just move the pulley up to a position where you can cut the cable tie. We hope you found one of these methods works on your machine. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.